Hi, and welcome to Implementing the Solution, Lesson 1, Appropriate Programming Languages for the Solution. Here you'll learn about the different programming languages and the appropriateness of their use in solving different types of problems, the construction of syntactically correct code that implements the logic described in the algorithm. You'll learn to identify an appropriate language to solve a particular problem, learn to recognize the appropriateness of either a sequential or event-driven approach to solve a particular problem, and you'll learn to develop syntactically correct code to solve a problem in a given language. When you are designing a solution for a problem, you need to understand that the language you choose can often be the difference between success or failure. Some languages are better at solving certain problems than others. For instance, there could be compatibility issues between your software and other pieces of software, or your software and different versions of hardware. There could be issues with the ease of development. Some programming languages are very easy to use, others are not. Some are more easy to develop in once you've learnt the language, and others are not so easy to develop in. In terms of performance, there might be some issues. So some programming languages might make code that is quicker to run or not quicker to run, and for a number of other reasons as well. So it makes sense to pick the language that is right for your product, for your developer, and will ultimately get the best job done. Here is an example of two programming languages you are familiar with, Python and Scratch, and some comparisons. So for Python, we can see that some of the positives are that it can be used for complex tasks. It's free, it can run on a variety of systems, and can be compiled to run on desktops and mobile. One of the negatives, it can be complex to learn. In Scratch, one of the positives is it's free and it's easy to learn. Some of the negatives are it's too simple for some tasks, and its style makes complex tasks more time-consuming to develop than other programming languages. It lacks the complex features of some other programming languages, and it can't be compiled to run on a mobile device. So, depending on what you are doing, Python might be more suitable to solve some problems. Scratch might be more suitable to solve other problems. It's up to you to choose which programming language you need to use to get the best solution at the end of the day. Here is a programming problem that you'll solve in class. So once you finish watching this video, read the problem, take some notes on what you've learned through the video, and then come to class and be prepared to solve this problem. Thank you.